welcome to my first video, which is going to be a weekend in my life as a 21-year-old in Montreal City. So on Friday, I started the day with some studying and planning for next week. And then I decided to clean my closet. Later that day, I had a dinner reservation with some friends, so I started getting ready. I decided to curl my hair, so as you can see, I'm working in sections and always curling away from my face. And you'll see my curls look a little bit tight at first, but I will brush them out once I'm done getting ready. So for makeup, I started with this MAC primer. And then I applied the Causa's face oil all over my face and I blended it with my fingers. Next, for concealer, I used this Laura Mercier concealer that I really like. I use it all over my imperfection on my face and under my eyes. Next, I like to set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury face powder. And then I apply some bronzer on my forehead, cheeks, on the sides of my nose, on my jawlines, and in my eye crease. Next, it's time for blush, so I apply this Fenty blush on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose. Next, for highlighter, I use this Charlotte Tilbury product. Next, for eyes, I use this Charlotte Tilbury product, which I blend with my eye brush. This is the easiest and quickest eyeshadow look ever, but I really like it for a night out. To complete the eyes, I simply put a little bit of mascara. Next, for my eyebrows, I keep it very simple. I only use a little bit of clear brow gel. And to finish the look, I apply this face setting spray from Morphe. And finally, a little bit of lip gloss and I'm done. So we went to this very cute bar in Montreal, which is called the Milky Way Bar. And we ordered some drinks, pizza, and it was a very good night. On Saturday, I went to Enzo Yoga for a workout class, and that day I did a hot bar class. So it's in a room that's very warm, which I enjoy because it adds a little bit of a challenge. And it's a lot of repetition of small movement with low resistance, but it really works. And then we had a little helicopter ride with my friends. It was very fun and a different thing to do. Later that day, I had a housewarming party, so I wore this black dress with an open back from Whitefox with my Converse. On Sunday, I took the day to relax, so I had a slow morning and I wrote in my 5-minute journal, which I don't always do, but I really enjoy writing in this journal in the morning when I have the time to do so. And then I went to the grocery stores and I bought some fresh produce for the week. I decided to wash in advance some of my fruits and vegetables and put them in containers so that I would grab for them instead of maybe less wholesome snack when I'm hungry. And I finished the day with a little bit more of studying.